Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off toggle keys on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select the ease of access tile. And then going underneath the interaction section, select keyboard. Now on the right side, if you scroll down underneath use toggle keys, play a sound whenever you press caps lock, num lock, or scroll lock. Click inside this oval to toggle this to the off position, and now you've just successfully disabled toggle keys. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.